Hello, my dear friend. Welcome to our YouTube channel. I hope you will be fine. If you are new on my YouTube channel, then subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest update. I am going to share each and everything about this project. So guys, before waste your time, I am starting the video. Meldon, born to merge parents and start. And next guy, you can check here Solana contact address. You can copy this contact address. Then you can buy now. You can see this buy button. You can click here and see this page is loading. So guys, you can see this page is open now. So guys, you can buy now through Radium. So first of all, you can connect your wallet. You can click here and connect wallet now. Solflare, Phantom. So guys, you can select any wallet. Then you can enter your Solana amount. So you can enter Solana amount. For example, I enter Solana amount 1000. Then you can see Meldon now. If you want to say Meldon, then you can click here and enter your Meldon amount. Then you can receive Solana now. You can see this Meldon price chart. You can check here price up and down. You can get huge profit through this project. Guys, this project listed on CoinScope and CoinSniper. And next we go to more detail about this project. You can see this and read the story, the multi-billion story, Kissing the Market Chapter 1. Melania Trump and Donald Trump created their own meme coins, Melania and Trump. Investors believe the powerful president and his wife. Officially, these coins reached $88 billion. Then the owners and insiders sold and nearly rug pulled and create money victims all over the world. They sniff very large liquidity from all altcoins and destroy the market. Most of supply will be unlocked soon and can create another dump. And that's why you can check here, read the manifest below. You can check here manifest designed to make people happy again. You can see these many people love them, but they cannot perform good separated. We believe that Melania and Trump will perform good together with Meldon. We created their new baby Meldon. Our target is to pass their total market cap and show the world the power of community against insiders and scammers. You can check here. So guys, you can invest Meldon now. You can click here and see this. So guys, you can invest Meldon now. And next guys, you can check here more detail about this project. You can see this make happy, make people happy again. You can check here picture of this project Meldon baby. You can see this. And next we go to tokenomics of this project. We do not do like Melania and Trump. They and their friends hold most of the supply. We do not separate any coins to us. We want to distribute us as much as possible. We launched Meldon in Pump 1 for fair launch. Only Dev Wallet made first buy for preventing sniper boosts. Dev will exit and spend for boost and marketing the project. And as you can check here more details. Melda coins are intended to function or expression for support and engagement with the ideas and beliefs embodied by the symbol Meldon. And the associated artwork are not intended to be the subject of an investment opportunity, investment contract, or security of any time. Meldon is not available to persons or entities in restricted jurisdictions. Users knowledge that digital assets involve inherent risk and potential for complete loss. Price data displayed on the site is from desk screener and may be delayed or inaccurate. Always verify current market price through multiple sources before trading. You can check here, you can read carefully. Nothing on these sites constitutes financial, legal, or investment advice. Meldon is a community-driven meme coin, and trading involves significant risk and high volatility. Always do your own research and never invest more than you can afford to lose. And next guy, you can join this project on following social media platform, Telegram, Twitter. So we go to this project official Twitter page. So guys, you can see this Meldon official Twitter page is open. You can follow this. You can check Meldon winner baby start bull run. You can see this contact address, official website link. You can check all detail. You can see this. You can like and comment this post and retweet this all posts. You can check here. And next we back to the home page. And next we go to this project Telegram group channel. And so guys, you can click this and see this Meldon official Telegram group chat community is open. You can check here 3,462 members that join this group. So guys, you can join this group and see any information about this project. And next we back to the home page. So guys, this website video is finished. If you like my video, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest update.